Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com, guys. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. If you think I'm rushing, I am. This is take 3 trying to get this doggone video on. What you can see is in the background, it just rains about every 30 seconds. It's here today, and I know people are already upset because the photos are online and there's no video. So I'm gonna try to rush through this thing as fast as I can before Mother Nature dumps on us again. Pretty car. Bought the car out of Kentucky. It's finished in Tuxedo black. It's got black vinyl interior. Good running 396 with aluminum heads, 4-speed. It's got vintage air. Factory tach and gauge car, good looking car. It's an older restoration, but very, very well maintained. Sorry about the sprinkles, guys. There's nothing we can do. Mother Nature is just not wanting to cooperate today. A lot of this stuff looks original. Car's got 80,000 original miles on it, and you can tell. Matter of fact, I believe all the interior is original. They've definitely replaced the bumpers. And again, sorry guys, there's, you see little streaks and stuff. There's nothing that we can do. It's just kind of spit and rain. Again, this stuff looks original. I've seen a couple little dings, a couple little marks in that. Dash is nice. Yeah, you can see just little sprinkles everywhere. Good looking car, man. Yeah, now it looks like the sun's gonna pop out. And that's kind of the way it's been. Again, just some little raindrops. It just spits a little rain and stops, and it downpours for 30 seconds and stops. And the car's nice and straight down the sides. It's got F70-14 Firestone wide oval bias ply redline tires on it. Factory 14-inch SS rally wheels. That car's pretty, man. Black is pretty. The nice thing about if a car's black, it's got to be straight, man. Good looking car. Front disc brakes. It's starting to spit a little more here. We'll be lucky to get this video in here again. Non-matching numbers, but matter of fact, I think it's a 71 date coated block, 396. Edelbrock 4-barrel. Does have aluminum intake. Does have aluminum headers, power steering, power disc brakes. Vintage AC, HEI distributor, air works, it blows cold, and we're getting ready to get wet now. Sorry guys, we'll try to hustle through this and see if we can get it in. These are new. They've definitely replaced those. Looks like it's got new door rubbers in it. Again, I think this interior is original, right down to the carpet. Bucket seats, console, sports steering wheel. And we're just going to move forward with it right now. Unfortunately, when the rain moves in now, it's going to be here. 80,766 on the odometer, tach and gauge car. Factory AM/FM radio does work. Parking brake works. It's got a good sound, and it's an X-Pipe dual exhaust system on it. It's a Spec Tech, I think that's what it's Spin Tech. Still got your original VIN on the quarter there. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Now the sun's out. Yeah, it's just been a battle. least it's not downpouring on us yet. Car's clean underneath. Looks like it's got all the original floors. 12 bolt 331 with the F41 rear suspension. Doors are nice and clean. It's funny because when we were taking the pictures, the sun was so bright it made the side stripe look orange. Hurst shifter, you can tell all that's original. Again, the AM FM does work. Go ahead, we'll just kind of go back and forth with the Nathan wheel. Again, those have been replaced. Air does work, air blows cold. Yeah, good running car, drives out real good. Car's got a real good look to it. It's a shame we're rushing through this video. Tach and gauges work. I think the only thing that doesn't work is a clock in there. Parking brake works. Does have an electric fuel pump. That aesthetic's awesome. Got a good sound to it. Radio does work. Blower motor works. Need the wipers. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That way you can get, if you do that by clicking the little button at the bottom, that way you can get a notification every time I post a new video. Now the sun's gonna fuck out. Have a great day, guys.